Alrighty, so Jeep update number 2. You can see it probably comes out a lot better in video now. I went ahead and had the rust fixed. It was something I thought about tackling myself. And after looking at it for about 3 days, I said, okay, screw it. I'm just gonna bite the bullet, get it done professionally, do it the right way. And so here we are. See the hood? Wasn't really touched. It was cleaned up a little bit. Still got some scratches on there. And the car isn't the cleanest. It was really clean the other day. And then obviously it's pollen season here. Got the wheels all nice and cleaned up. Those are looking good. A little bit of brake dust on that one now. I've driven it a little bit. You can see fresh rocker panel on this side. That looks nice. Good to go there. Same thing over here. This was all cleaned up. Back here as well. Bottoms of the doors are still a little rusty. I haven't bothered with these yet. Only because I was more concerned about the structure of the car. So you can see that it's not terrible. There's worse, definitely. If this will focus. Maybe that's coming out, I can't tell with the sun. But there's definitely worse. I'm not too worried about it. You can see the roof is all nice and new. I think this has hail damage or something. It could just be, it could have been shitty prep work. But it's like these little dents. It looks like there's these little dents all over the hood. Not the hood, the roof. So I don't know, but for a 1999 XJ, it looks good to me. So I'm happy with it there. Crossbars were painted, so that's good. We have a new tailgate out back. The P on the Jeep doesn't exactly line up. So that, I'll have to fix that eventually. Rear wiper, I'm missing a piece. Like everything with this thing, it's a common Cherokee problem. There's like a clip or something that goes in here, and they all rot out and they're hard to find. So I gotta go looking for one of those. I took the tow hitch out because it was loose and it was rusty and I didn't need it. So that is gone. Take a look underneath. I have the whole thing undercoated. So that's all looking really good. You may notice new muffler on there. It's a Borla muffler now that is on there. Turns out it has a new cat as well. Turns out the car didn't even have a cat on it. It looked like it did, but I guess not. So I had that fixed. New rocker panel on this side as well. Nice and clean, and we take a look up underneath here. Let's look at the undercarriage. Inside of the door over here. Looks good. I did all the doors. Sprayed some WD-40 on all the doors. This passenger door was really bad. And now it still makes a little noise, but it doesn't bind like it used to. So that's good. Tailgate, I forgot to mention, it works now because it's a new tailgate. We finally have a working tailgate. Struts, sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. We'll still have to fix that. Still have to get all the junk out of here. I will eventually. Guess I'll go ahead and show you guys. I'll start it up. Not much has changed in the interior. I cleaned it up a little bit. So it looks a little bit better. You can see that all looks good now. I don't know why I left those in there, but whatever. see, not much has changed in here. Just cleaner than it was. Go ahead and start it. So we have 176, 106, and just waiting for some cars to pass by. Sounds pretty good if you ask me. It's got a little bit of a lumpy, I don't want to call it lumpy. I guess like a deep, throaty idle. Sounds pretty good if you ask me. See, I didn't end up going for the chrome tip just yet, because I'm waiting to find one that I really like. Or I may just keep the stock tip there. We'll see. I don't love that they painted it black to match the undercarriage, but whatever. It still looks better than it did. I guess I didn't mention this rear bumper was cleaned up a little bit. I am going to get a new one eventually. I told them not to go crazy on this. You can see that obviously they didn't. They just tried to make it look a little bit better. But I'm thinking a little bit of paintless dent work on this side and the passenger side. And maybe the hood. I don't know if it'll come out on video. There's a couple in the hood as well. But that is all in due time. I do need to start setting myself a budget for this, because it's gotten a little pricey quick. So I guess, I mean, some of you might care about financials, so we'll go into that a little bit. I'm in it, so I bought it for $1,000. Let's see, it had $300 in exhaust work between the Borla muffler and the cat. Body work was $1,800. So let's see, we're at 28 plus another 3, 31. And then it needed a new radiator. For another, well, radiator, hoses, and coolant was another 500. So what did I say? That's, what did I say? 32, and then plus another 5. That's 37. So $3,700 or so all in so far. I think it could be worse. Good old 4-liter, straight 6. But I think that's gonna do it for the update, guys. I appreciate you watching. If you have any comments, leave them down below. If you want to see anything else with this, let me know. And yeah, thanks for watching.